a proud and loving mother of two, and an entrepreneur of the fashion industry. Payal Goenka is a multitasker. Her brand, Shrey Shri, is 2 decades old and is a leading retail outlet for women wear in Kolkata. Payal herself is also a poet and a singer. She has many published articles. She takes pride in her community work with various women organizations such as Career After Family and Wiki. Her mantra is to keep smiling and live life positively. So let's join our hands together for our next speaker, Payal Goenka.
I nurtured a dream for 8 years. Yes, it was 8 years of pursuing that dream before I could realize that I have wasted a lot of energy and resources. And in this, the relationship with my 2 existing daughters also suffered. Are you hooked up with the phrase 2 existing daughters? Yes, not only my relationship with my daughter suffered, but my health also suffered, mentally and physically. And I was very late in realizing that what was not meant to be cannot be manifested. This wisdom did not dawn upon me one fine morning just like that. Something led to it. One day I got a call from one of my friends. She broke down and was crying very badly because her husband had met with an accident. I understood she was in a trauma of handling his large-scale business and financial accounts. I heard her and offered my support to her. But later I could feel that her phone calls continued and her whining continued. So one day I felt, what has happened, now you will have to move on in your life. I didn't say these words to her, but these words kept echoing in my mind, as if mocking at me. Wasn't I doing the same thing? Stuck on an aspiration, spent money like it meant nothing, and in this process becoming a whining machine, refusing to look around the beautiful world which giggled all around in my house. It was very difficult to let go of that dream. But you know what was more difficult? The void that was left behind. But now I am left with nothing to worry about, nothing to blame for, and nothing to cry over. The night was sleepless because emptying the brain from a meaningless aspiration meant that the past came gushing out from the dark crevices of my mind. It mocked me because as a teenager, my dream was to learn music, to become famous, to do jewelry designing. But what had I done of my life instead? No sense of self, no sense of identity, nothing to look forward to. And to add salt to the wound, one day my daughter comes and says, Mama, I wish you were more independent. I was born with a silver spoon, and this luck continued after my marriage also. Adversity teaches you the true meaning of life, but luxury spoils you. This was true with me to some extent. But now, after the reprimand from my daughter, I was gripped with the sense of insecurity. And I thought, what more could I do after being a housewife for so many years? So, I decided to catch hold on for the hanging fruit, and I decided to join my family business of women's ethnic wear. The fashion world appealed to me because it was very innovative and interesting. I decided to spend few of my hours in one of my showroom. Initially, there were a lot of hiccups because when a lady steps out to create her identity, it is not easily accepted by the family. But I tried to maintain a perfect balance between my professional life and my family life. And I was very happy in doing that. At least I tried. There were challenges at workplaces too. The constant look of suspicion coming from the eyes of the staff as if I was planted to keep an eye on them. The fear of being judged with no specific qualification. I was not able to understand how will I add value to that place. So I decided to do what a business needs the most. I decided to sell. I used my contacts and my connects to provide an extra sales to my showroom, and gradually the graph was rising due to my presence and everyone could feel it. I also worked hard to create the digital presence of my brand, which was solely my initiative. I could find my own piece of land within the empire, which was actually owned by the patriarchy of the family. I emerged confident, but now I was still worrying, are my daughters proud of me still? So I decided to learn and grow. In the wake to expand my network, I joined a community known as Career After Family. And in that community, later I got the chance to become a champion of an initiative known as Cafe Runway, where with my team, I was able to help and guide 50 other women to start their business and become financial independent. I was very proud in doing that. I also became the secretary of Wiki West Bengal Child Care Council in order to give back to the society. Many of my poems were published in newspapers and magazines, and one of my articles was also published in book Confessions of Moody Maniac, which was available on Amazon. And last but not the least, I was able to fulfill my dream of releasing my 2 albums on YouTube channel. Today I strive to learn and grow, and in regards to that I have done a small business management course in association with CAFE and Inspiria College of Siliguri, so that at the age of 43, triggered by one question by my daughter and one question by my friend, the entire outlook of my life changed. Today I am living my dream life. Yes, I circle back to the word dream. Are you living your dream life? Are you conscious about what your dream is? Or you are just being sorrowful for living the life which is not your dream, but a pursuit to some social conditioning? Today I urge you all to go back and look at the troubling aspect of your life. As a parent, as a professional, as a partner, just step back and look at yourself. Whether the circumstances need to be changed or the outlook needs to be changed. Thank you.
That was lovely.